Hi guys, my name is Jody Newman and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those first time viewers, please click on subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when my new videos is being uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a classic French toast with a twist. We'll be using a homemade barbecue spice. Please check out the link in the description box below on how to make your own barbecue spice. Stay tuned and let's get to this.
Uh.
Crack 2 to 3 small to medium sized eggs in a bowl big enough for a slice of bread and give it a whisk. And then add a heaped teaspoon of homemade barbecue spice. See the link in the description box below how to make your own barbecue spice. Add a quarter cup of milk with some more. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and with some more. In a medium to hot pan, add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil. As soon as the butter starts bubbling, give the eggs another whisk so that the spices don't fall to the bottom. And simply place a thick slice of bread in your egg batter and flip it around, then place it in your pan. Fry it golden brown on each side. As soon as your bubbles start slowing down, you're ready to flip over. Add a piece of cheese. And it's ready. Serve with jam or cheese. Please subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you. Goodbye.